Hi everyone, it's Maya. Today I'm diving into the features of the TCO Hidden Camera Detector. Let's explore its capabilities and settings. This device offers 4 detection modes to assist in identifying a variety of surveillance devices. These modes include, number 1, wireless Wi-Fi signal detection. It aids in detecting signals that might indicate hidden Wi-Fi devices. Number 2, magnetic GPS detection. Useful for finding devices that may use magnetic GPS to track locations. Number 3, red infrared light detection, and it helps in spotting gadgets that utilize infrared signals. Number 4, flashlight adds convenience for inspections in dimly lit areas. The device also includes 2 alert modes, a deep sound and vibration, allowing you to choose based on the situation's discretion needs. With 5 levels of adjustable sensitivity, you can fine-tune the detector's responsiveness to suit various environments, from homes to conference rooms. Equipped with a 3rd-generation intelligent chip, this detector is designed to broaden the range of frequencies that it can scan, enhancing its ability to interact with different kinds of signals commonly used in surveillance equipment. It's tailored to provide a helping hand in identifying hidden cameras and bugs, offering a more informed sense of surroundings. This detector is compact and weighing about 1 ounce, making it incredibly portable. Whether you're checking dressing rooms, bathrooms, or conference rooms, its size allows for easy handling and discreet inspections. It's powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, which offers approximately 25 hours of active use per full charge, or it can stay on standby for about 25 days. Quick to charge, this device ensures that you're ready to go in about an hour, providing sustainable support without frequent recharges. For those who travel frequently or are concerned about hidden devices, this detector is a practical tool to consider. Its combination of multiple detection modes and portability makes it a versatile option for enhancing your awareness in various settings. However, remember that no device can guarantee detection. Enjoy.